Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best baby food processors available on the market. Whether you're a new parent or looking to upgrade your baby food prep game, we've got you covered with detailed reviews and comparisons. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. At number 5, we have the Fige Baby Food Maker. This compact and affordable option is designed for parents and who need a quick, no-fuss solution for baby food preparation. With high-quality food-grade materials, including an 8-blade stainless steel system and a durable glass mixing bowl, this processor ensures your baby's meals are safe and nutritious. The sealing lid with a thick silicone ring prevents spills, making it a clean and hassle-free choice. Performance-wise, the Fige excels in simplicity. It's operated by pressing down on the body of the machine for fast chopping, mashing, and mixing of fruits, vegetables, and meats. This model is perfect for parents who prioritize speed. It can create purees in just 10 seconds. While it lacks a steaming function, the quick manual operation and quiet motor make it a great fit for those who want fresh meals on demand without waking a sleeping baby. However, the lack of advanced features like steaming or sterilizing might be a downside if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. But if you're after a straightforward and affordable baby food processor, the Fige delivers excellent value. It's an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or occasional use. Pros include its compact design, ease of cleaning, and speedy operation. Cons are the absence of steaming functionality and fewer customization options for food textures. Coming in at number 4 is the Bear 2025 Baby Food Maker. This multifunctional device is perfect for parents who want a one-stop shop for all their baby food prep needs. With the ability to steam, blend, sterilize bottles, and even warm milk, this model is a true multitasking powerhouse. The 2-layer nutrient-preserving steam baskets are particularly impressive, allowing you to prepare multiple ingredients at once while retaining essential vitamins and nutrients. What sets this model apart is its dual blending modes, offering both manual and automatic options. This flexibility allows you to create smooth purees or chunkier textures, depending on your baby's age and preference. The build quality is also top-notch, with a BPA-free Triton blending cup and stainless steel water tank. The auto-cleaning function is a huge time saver for busy parents, and the safety features, like the low water reminder and secure locking system, ensure peace of mind during use. While the Bear 2025 offers excellent versatility and convenience, it's on the heavier side, weighing in at 4 pounds, and requires hand washing for most components. It's ideal for parents looking for a multifunctional device that can handle everything from steaming veggies to sterilizing bottles. Pros include its all-in-one functionality, nutrient-preserving steam baskets, and robust safety features. Cons are its bulkier size and the lack of dishwasher-safe components. At number 3, we have the GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. This device is a fantastic choice for parents who value convenience and nutrition. Combining steaming, blending, and sterilizing in one compact unit, the GROWNSY is designed to simplify your life. Its nutrient-preserving steam basket keeps essential vitamins like B and C intact, ensuring your baby gets the healthiest meals possible. One of the standout features is its dual mixing modes, auto and manual, giving you control over food texture. Whether you're making a silky puree for a younger baby or a chunkier consistency for a toddler, this processor has you covered. The Triton blending bowl is not only BPA-free, but also heat-resistant, adding an extra layer of safety. The intuitive digital controls make it super easy to operate, even for first-time parents. However, the GROWNSY does have a few downsides. At 4.38 pounds, it's not the lightest option, and it requires hand washing for proper care. That said, its overall functionality and ease of use make it a strong contender for parents who want a reliable all-in-one device. Pros include its versatility, nutrient-preserving features, and user-friendly controls. Cons are the weight and lack of dishwasher compatibility. Our runner-up is the Chefhandy Baby Food Maker, a versatile 5-in-1 device that combines steaming, blending, sterilizing, and even bottle warming. This model is perfect for parents who want a multi-purpose appliance at an affordable price point. The stainless steel steam basket and water tank ensure even heating while preserving nutrients, and the auto shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety. The Chefhandy excels in convenience. Thanks to its intuitive touchscreen controls and dual blending modes, whether you opt for automatic or manual blending, you can achieve the perfect texture for your baby's meals. The inclusion of extra accessories like 6 baby food pouches is a thoughtful touch, making it easier to store and serve meals on the go. The BPA-free blending cup ensures safety, and the low water reminder prevents any mishaps during operation. On the downside, the 300 milliliter bowl capacity may not be sufficient for preparing larger batches, and it's not dishwasher safe. However, its compact design, ease of use, and multifunctionality make it a great choice for busy parents. Pros include its 5-in-1 functionality, user-friendly design, and included accessories. Cons are the smaller bowl size and hand washing requirements. Taking the top spot is the Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker, loved by parents for its simplicity and efficiency. This one-step processor features a built-in menu with preset options for vegetables, fruits, fish, and meat, making it almost foolproof to prepare healthy meals. The unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients and flavors, ensuring your baby gets the best possible nutrition. The Bear 2024 is equipped with a 400 milliliter mixing bowl and high-quality stainless steel blades that operate at 2,875 RPM, allowing you to prepare meals in minutes. The touchscreen controls are highly responsive, and the self-cleaning function is a lifesaver for busy parents. With FDA and UL certifications, this device is built to prioritize safety, featuring BPA-free materials and a water shortage reminder. While the Bear 2024 lacks a bottle warming function, its ease of use and nutrient-preserving design make it a standout choice. It's perfect for parents who want a reliable, straightforward solution for baby food preparation. Pros include its one-step operation, nutrient-locking steam cycle, and self-cleaning feature. Cons are the absence of bottle warming and slightly smaller bowl capacity compared to other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect baby food processor for your needs. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which products stood out to you, or if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.